Welcome to Ocrop's YouTube channel, your world for information. Hi all, how are you? The topic for the day is unconditional. Before we get into the topic, please watch the video and if you like it, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for all those who have already subscribed to my channel. The topic for the day is unconditional. Yes, you heard it right, unconditional. Because we have been so much conditioned in this world, we'll have to start living unconditionally. Is there a lack of intimacy in relationships? Is there a lack of trust? Why is there a lack of patience? Why is there a lack of freedom? Why is there a lack of attitude? Is everyone scared to face the reality, accept the reality, and live with it? What is life and why do we condition ourselves? This is what we are going to see in this vlog. Yes, you guessed it right. It's story time. So, the first story is about a boy who was chased by a tiger and he started running deep into the forest and he suddenly found uh, a tree, branch of a tree, and he clung to that, thinking that the tiger will not catch him. The tiger came and it stopped because this boy is hanging on the tree. But incidentally, what he was hanging on was a python. So the python is slowly surrounding him. It's trying to get around him and crush him to swallow him. If he tries to escape from there, the tiger is waiting down. So what does he do? In this moment, he found a honey drop falling in his mouth and he enjoyed the taste of that honey. So what does this indicate? How much ever problem we have to live in the moment. You'll have to live till the moment you die. The tiger in the story is the day-to-day problems that we face, and the python that was swimming around him was the special problems that we encounter. So we are caught in a world of crisis, world of problem, but we need to enjoy every moment, whether we run or we hang, whether honey falls on his mouth. Honey is the good things that come to you when you are in a bad shape. Sometimes we need to let go of our past. We need to think afresh. There is no value in lingering to the problems and hanging on to the hurts that we have experienced in the past. It's kind of an amnesia. You are enjoying this. We need to realize that we are human beings and we are bound to make mistakes and we must be gracious enough to excuse ourselves from the mistakes. There are people who says, I had an heartbreak, I had an affair cut, I had a miserable experience with somebody, relationship. Why do you give others the power to decide whether you are lovable or not? You should be having it in yourself. Self love is the most important thing. Just with the child's mind, we must enjoy the journey called life. Now let's move on to our second story where a mom and dad had a son and their son grew big and he found employment in a distant land and after a long time he expressed his wish to come back to his parents. His parents were so happy, but he said there is one request from his end. He would also bring another friend of him who had lost a hand and a leg. The parents were worried and they said, no, we cannot enjoy with such a person. So we need to make sure that we'll take care of him by helping him. We will ask him to stay somewhere else, but not with us. And suddenly the son dropped this idea of coming back to his parents. And a few days later, the parents got a message that the son committed suicide from jumping from a building. And when they went to see him, they found him without an arm and a leg. Most of us are like the parents of the son, that we do not want to, we want to choose the people whom we would interact with. We have a lot of choices, we have a lot of reservations. This is called condition. And what I am talking about is being unconditional, without any expectations, without any uh, monetary benefits, looking for money or any other kind of uh, benefit. We always feel vulnerable, fearful. We don't trust people because we have some kind of reservations. We'll have to uncondition ourselves. We'll have to unmask ourselves. Yes, we need to unmask. Not the mask that you wear for COVID 19, but the mask you wear to isolate yourself from other relationships. You must be able to willing, you must be willing. Willingness is the first thing. When it comes, you must be sharing your thoughts with others without the fear of being attacked or without fear of being disturbed by them. Sometimes souls cannot have barriers in between. Open and express your love unconditionally. Some it may mean saying I love you, for some it is caring, for some it is hugging, for some it is touch, or for some it is being kind, some it is smile, whatever. If you are expressing your love unconditionally, all the diseases of the human beings or any other animal for that matter will disappear. Most of the sickness are mental related. Whole world is connected spiritually. Each one of us are connected to each other. We just don't realize that. That's it. Kindness, compassion, growth, and friendship, all these things would solve a lot of bother in the world ridden by crisis. Always be open, be willing to forgive people and get along with them, just like a child. You just need to have a child's mentality. World without fear is a world of love, world of freedoms in which there are no restrictions, and you can feel the happiness every moment. For nothing, for not for nothing, laughter is a medicine. Laugh, laugh loud, laugh without even thinking about what others around you think. Uh, just have to be happy. Your heart should always be smiling. You should express your sign of joy, and you will deprive lot of sorrow from other people as well. World of love is free from world of fear, a world of guilt, and a world of blame. World of unconditional love is a world of happiness. Let's enjoy the art of giving, not just the giving money or any some financial things. Let us learn to give love. Let us give it unconditionally. Only the unconditional love can heal this world from a lot of troubles, and it will only ensure that the world is peaceful and people are happy. Let's join together and be happy, connect spiritually, and let our life be at peace. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe and share. Thank you.